Welcome to Virtual Learning. This is the user guide for instructors. How to enroll users in your home health aid training course. Log into your account. Open your management section. Scroll down and click on the user button. You have the option to add one or multiple users. Also, you can import a list of users from files in your computer. As well, you can email those users who are not enrolled yet. The ones who have not started the course. The ones in progress. And the ones who already finished the course. Finally, if you want to remove users, you can do it by marking the participants you want to remove. Or you can remove the whole group for your next class. Virtual learning, easy access to education.